TekMax, your one-stop platform. Digital marketing isn't just about posting on social media or running ads, it's about crafting a roadmap to connect with your audience and grow your business. But where do you start? Let's break down how to build a winning digital marketing strategy, step by step. Step 1. Define your goals. Every strategy begins with clear goals. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve? Brand awareness? Sales? Website traffic? Use the SMART framework. For example, increase online sales by 20% in 6 months. This clarity guides every decision you'll make. Step 2. Know your audience. Who are you targeting? Dive into demographics, interests, and pain points. Tools like Google Analytics, surveys, or social media insights can help. Create detailed buyer personas. The better you know your audience, the sharper your messaging. Step 3. Audit your current efforts. Before launching new tactics, assess what's working. Which platforms drive traffic? Which campaigns underperform? Step 4. Choose your channels. Not every channel is right for you. Focus on where your audience spends time. Prioritize 2-3 channels first. For example, a local bakery might use Instagram and Google My Business, while a SaaS company invests in LinkedIn and SEO. Step 5. Create content that converts. Content is king, but it needs purpose. Align content with your goals and audience needs. Plan a mix of educational, promotional, and engaging content. Use SEO tools like Ahrefs or Ubersuggest to optimize for search. Step 6. Budget and resources. Allocate budget based on priorities. A small business might spend 50% on social ads, 30% on content creation, and 20% on tools. Don't forget time and team skills. Outsourcing? Consider freelancers for specialized tasks like SEO or video production. Step 7. Execute, monitor, and adapt. Launch your plan, but stay agile. Track KPIs like conversion rates, click-throughs, and ROI. Test, learn, and tweak. If your TikTok ads aren't working, reallocate funds to high-performing Google ads. Building a digital marketing strategy isn't a one-time task, it's a cycle of learning and growth. Start with clear goals, know your audience, and stay flexible. Ready to take your brand to the next level? Hit a place on your strategy today. Join TekMax, your all-in-one digital marketing hub to skyrocket your business growth.